Hey, my friends, welcome to SportsPhotoTV. I am Craig Lash. I'm here to help you with your sports photography. Now, we all want to make some extra money with our sports photography, right? Well, I've come up with 5 fun and unique ideas that will help you put some extra cash into that wallet. Plus, I've got a bonus tip and an special tip that will make your competitors stop and say, why didn't I think of that? All right, let's jump in. First up, sports camps and clinics. Think of those action shots during drills and scrimmages. You can partner with the camps to offer photo packages for parents, or you can create promo content for the camp itself. Trust me, parents like it when their kids are looking like the next big star. Next, athlete and personal branding photography. This is all about helping athletes build their personal brand with professional action shots, training pics, or lifestyle portraits. Perfect for social media, college recruiting, and even sponsorships. Third idea is fitness and training photography. This kind of goes hand in hand with number 2. You can partner with the gyms or trainers to capture athletes mid-rep. It's a win-win. They get killer marketing content, and you get some seriously awesome action shots for your portfolio. And plus, you'll be helping trainers prove to everybody else that people don't just come to train just to get the tasty smoothies afterwards. The fourth one has to do with sports merchandise photography. Brands need high-quality images of their gear to stand out. And don't just stick to mainstream sports. Extreme sports gear can make some fun, epic shots as well. This is for the brands selling everything from jerseys to those headbands that nobody really wants, but they buy anyway. The fifth has to do with esports photography. Yes, gaming tournaments are sports. You can capture those intense gaming faces, team moments, and even hype. It's a growing market, and they need your skills to look legit. And in the end, they'll look at you and say, hey, GG. Before I get to the bonus tip, if you have any creative out-of-the-box type sports photography ideas, drop them in the comments. We'd all like to see what you're thinking. And now for the bonus tip, which some of you might look at as a little bit daunting, but you can do it, trust me. And that is to offer video production services along with your photography services. You can add action reels, highlight videos, or event promos to your services. Everyone loves a good video. You can think TikTok, reels, shorts, and it will take your business to the next level. Trust me, when they see what you can do with video, they'll start wondering if maybe you should be running their marketing department. I've given you 5 fun and unique ideas to help boost your sports photography income, plus that bonus tip. Don't forget about that bonus tip. Now, if you're interested in how maybe you can make some money using social media, check out this video right here. And until next time, get out and shoot and stay creative.